Hey, what's up, everybody? I know, a little different look. I cleaned up, trimmed up the beard, made myself look a little more better. But I have another video to add to the Inner Fatty saga. So here we go. So it is officially 3:23 in the morning. If you can see that, it's probably backwards for you, but it says 3:23. And here I am making Alfredo noodles, green beans, and fish for a sandwich at 3:23 in the morning. My inner fatty spoke to me again, and he was hungry. But it was actually for something rather than sweets, because obviously the last video was peanut butter sugar cookies, and the video before that was some fat ass pancake sticks. He always talks to me early in the morning when he's hungry. One of these days he's going to get out and just devour every piece of food in my house. My inner fatty won again. Definitely won this time. Making a regular dinner early in the morning. Anyway, like and subscribe. Tell me what you think about the Inner Fatty saga. Shall we continue? I think so. Let's see what else he craves in the mornings. Alright, folks. Like and subscribe. Tell me what you think about the Inner Fatty saga. And I will see you on the next one.